Hello everybody, I'm back at the RV again, and today we're gonna try to put some carpet in. I have a feeling that's not gonna go easily. We got some people that came. Let me lower the music. Amazing music, by the way. Michael Giacchino, The Lost World video game music from 1997. Love listening to that. So yeah, the guys from Build and Shop came today and looked at the RV and were kind of concerned about all the wood and everything. And they've basically told me that to make an accurate estimate, I should replace the bad plywood first, which actually is kind of a good idea. I like the way they're thinking. They will probably do me an estimate on the back part of the trailer, because this one, the wood is very good. So yeah, they're gonna make me an estimate for this first, all this area here, and do it so I can see how good they work, if I accept the estimate, and I'm gonna try to do the thicker carpet myself. Got some stuff here, pulled it to see how it was done, but you can see that the plywood behind it is fine, but even the paper is still there. So I need to remove all those nails one by one. That's gonna be funny. Hollywood magic. Bon, j'ai coupé mon premier bout de carpet. I just cut my first piece of carpet. Don't know what I was saying, talking in French. I'm gold blooming today. So let's try. Je me suis bien merdé. Yeah, Darian is there, but he doesn't want to make jokes today.
Yeah.
There's no right shit, he's not funny.
Too funny. All right, on to the next piece.
Yep. $62 and a half.
No worries. One thing I can do is read a tape measure. Sometimes I get it wrong, but I still know how to read a tape measure. I've been driving a tape measure since I was 13 years old. Once in a while they do lie to you though. I've had a tape measure lie to me. You look at it and you look at it and you look at it, it still lies to you. 54 and 45 are the two famous ones you screw up all the time. It messes with your head, so you end up reading it at 45 or 54, and it's...
I think when we're reading numbers all day long, you start messing it. How do we do that? Oh, we need to cut it on the other side. Is it cut already?
No, because it's not long enough, and we don't have a chalk line, and since we want to use the straight edge, we measure off the
Do you
side.
want to cut it in the middle or something?
Yeah, so just measure from here, or from here.
No red sheet today.
No rush. It's getting cold.
Yeah. No wonder we're sick.
Well, California cold. You know, the people in Minnesota.
Look at that. It really
this
feels like Jurassic Park. Yeah. If you just don't think about the rest of what's.
Think about the big old street. It's
Yeah. Yeah.
cold. Well, there you go.
We lost our audience. We have no viewership anymore. I'm glad we stopped the recording.
Broke the screen.
Yeah, this is as good as you can get.
For now, because you're going to take it down and actually put
Of course,
yeah.
we will.
Yeah.
We will, definitely. Definitely put some glue at some point.
You see the pig outside? It's flying around too.
Jeff Goldblum will help us put some glue. Oh, this is wonky.
It is wonky. But when you put some glue on it, it'll push right down, no problem.
I see what you did here.
Yes. and then bring this piece around on top, and then cut back in a double cut, one on top of each other. Fold, take the piece out that comes out of it, and then put this piece back on top.
That seems awfully complicated.
It's not. It's simplistic.
And then we have to put another one here, right?
It is to the guy that drives cars and doesn't do fabric for a living, yeah, but it's not really that complicated. You just have to cut here, cut it around so it comes down to about here. This will wrap around. So then you bring the other fabric, lay it over 1/8 of an inch, you do the cut, and then put the two together, and then it's done. So it's 82 inches plus 3, so 85. Of course, my Samsung sucks just as bad right now, so if Samsung, if you're watching, your S8 sucks.
We're gonna lose a lot of followers with what you guys say.
Oh, I love Samsung, don't get me wrong, but this phone is, oh my
Is it
god.
wet?
Yeah, there's cold. We live by the ocean, and this is called moisture.
Moisturizer. Moist.
Precipitation.
Because moisture is life. Now, what does he say in Zoolander? Hydration is life?
I don't remember.
If you know what Zoolander said, put it in the comments. Alright, so let's see if Darian's plans is working, because I have no idea what he wants to do. Yes, I'm sick. Ooh, it's getting dark in here.
Oh, I didn't bring that. Did you cut a light?
I have one. Not yours. I mean, not as.
I forgot to bring that.
Hello everybody, I'm back at the RV again. And today we're gonna try to put some carpet in. I have a feeling that's not gonna go easily. We got some people that came. Let me lower the music. Amazing music, by the way. Michael Giacchino, The Lost World video game music from 1997. Love listening to that. So yeah, the guys from Build.
It's called sweat equity.
The what?
Sweat equity. Okay, now what?
Alright, so it's night time, but here's what we've been up to. Not perfect here. Pretty proud of this one. It's pretty cool what we've done here. Yeah. I mean, it's a start. Here we go. Alarm just rang at 9:20, and I have an appointment at 9:30 at the RV, which is 10 minutes from here. So let's go. haircut today. Alors, comment on fait pour mettre tout ça dans une voiture de Fast and Furious? Tu vois, moi j'ai comme toi. Moi aussi j'ai le torché plat. Moi je pense que c'est le plus grand haillon de coffre que j'ai jamais vu. Genre, imagine si tu enlèves le haillon, pardon, ça devient décapotable en fait. Les gens derrière ils ont la tête à l'air.
Tu peux en faire un pick-up en fait, c'est une El Camino.
Non mais sérieux, j'ai presque envie, regarde. Si tu le démontes, tu fais une piscine à l'arrière. Alors, et dehors.
Le pire c'est que ça va rentrer sans lutter.
Hein?
Ça va rentrer sans lutter.
Franchement, c'est une voiture faite pour charger.
Je m'attendais pas à un coffre pareil, ça c'est sûr. T'as mis la peinture dedans? J'ai pas accroché.
Ouais, elle est au fond. Mais c'est où ça? Tiens. Oh putain, j'ai encore du pince. C'est moi, non? Ah bah. Je connais cet endroit.
C'est à l'intérieur actuellement.
Quand tu rentres dedans, on va se voir nous en train de jouer. Ah, c'est faire semblant, hein.
Ah, j'ai pété une de tes vitres, je suis désolé.
Il arrive à mordre à travers les barreaux. Bon.
Ouais, c'est peut-être les barreaux en fait. En pétant la vitre, ça pète les barreaux.
Ah bah non, cassez pas mon Harvey. Ah bah non.
Ah bah forcément, il va beaucoup moins bien marcher maintenant.
Bon, et barrons-nous, ce Harvey est en état très superficiellement pourri.